Assalamualaikum. Today you are going to learn about squares and square roots. So, what is squaring a number? Let's take example 4 raised to the power of 2. So 4 raised to the power of 2 is also called 4 square. So 4 is called base and 2 exponent of 2. And 4 square is 4 multiply 4 or 4 times 4 equals to 16. Okay, let us see other examples of squares of a number. Let's say 1 square, you can write in expanded form 1 times 1 equals to 1. Or 2 square is 2 times 2 equals to 4. 3 square is 3 times 3 equals to 9. And so on. Okay, 6 square is 6 times 6 equals to 36. Okay, to test your understanding, why don't you pause this video and try to complete this table, then continue the video. Okay, let us check the answer together. 7 square is 7 times 7 equals to 49. 8 square is 8 times 8 equals to 64, and 9 squared is 9 times 9 equals to 81, and so on. Notice that we have 3 columns. In the first column, you have 7 squared, 8 squared, 9 squares, and so on. This is called exponent form. And then in the second column, written as 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9. This is called expanded form. When you are familiar with the square of a number, you can just omit the expanded form and you can just straight away get the value of the square of the number. For example, as listed in front of you. So these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, they are all perfect square numbers. They are all
So these are the list of
numbers.
perfect square numbers which I encourage you to memorize. So one of the main reason why you should memorize them is because you are going to need to know them when we go into the other part of this lesson, which is square root.
Before we continue, why don't you pause this video and try to find the squares of the following numbers without using calculator. After you have finished the 4 questions, you can play the video to check your answers. So negative 5 square is negative 5 multiply negative 5. Negative multiply negative becomes positive 25. And for question number 3, we have fraction 2 over 3 square. So you can write 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3. So numerator multiply numerator, denominator with denominator becomes 4 over 9. Okay, let us try another 4 questions. You can pause this video while answering them. So we have negative 4 over 5 square. So negative 4 over 5 multiply negative 4 over 5. So negative multiply negative becomes positive. 4 times 4 is 16, and 5 times 5 is 25. So it's 16 over 25. Next we have mixed fraction. So first of all, you have to change into improper fraction. So 5 over 3 square, 5 over 3 times 5 over 3 is 25 over 9. Next we have a decimal number 2.5 square. So
2.5 times 2.5, you must do the multiplication of decimal correctly, especially how to determine to place the decimal point. Okay, so 2.5 times 2.5 is equals to 6.25. Next, number 8 also decimal. 0.4 square is 0.4 times 0.4 equals to 0.16. Before we go any further, I would like to draw your attention to the squares of fractions. Let's take 3 over 5 square. So 3 over 5 multiply 3 over 5. So we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. It becomes 9 over 25. Or we can also do, we square the numerator and then we square the denominator. So 3 square over 5 square. You will get the same answer, 9 over 25. Next, we are going to see how to square a mixed fraction. For example, we have 2 1 over 3 square. The common mistake that students do is they just straight away square the 2 and square 1 over 3. Becomes 4 1 over 9, which is wrong. What you must do first when you get a mixed fraction is to change into improper fraction. So 2 1 over 3, you change into improper fraction, become 7 over 3. 7 over 3 multiply 7 over 3 equals to 49 over 9. Or you can just square the numerator, 7 square, and square the denominator, 3 square. You'll get the same answer, 49 over 9. With that, I thank you for watching the video. We will continue with the next video on the square root.